flavor, texture, and color. Hi, my name is Justin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make heart-healthy chicken chow mein. I picked it because chow mein is a very popular fast food recipe that's typically unhealthy. It has a lot of oil, it has a lot of soy sauce. I wanted to make it heart-healthy because when I was 2 years old, I had a blood disorder and my immune system attacked my heart. This resulted in the right side of my heart not being as functional as it should have. Fortunately, because of great doctors, great medicine, and great treatments, I was able to live a normal life. Fast forward a few years later, when I was 15, I was feeling nauseous, weak, and daily activities started to become harder and harder. I later learned that I was feeling these things because of chronic heart failure. My options at that point were either surgery, again, which would probably not work, or a heart transplant. At first, I was denied from the heart transplant list, but a few months later, they finally accepted me onto the heart transplant list. Recovery post-transplant was tough. Cooking became a stepping stone to exercise. It may not seem a lot to you, but to me, grabbing the pots and pans, going to the pantry to grab some ingredients, and going to the freezer to grab some more ingredients, and back to the stove was a lot of exercise when I couldn't even barely walk. Make-A-Wish approached me, I learned I had a Make-A-Wish, and I decided to make a cookbook. I had 3 main goals for it: be healthy, be convenient, and taste good. And it later became a way to give back to others. I came up with the recipes by working with a chef. She would come to our house, we would cook for about 2 hours, and she would just develop these new recipes with us. Cooking for me is an essential part of my health and vital towards my lifestyle that I'm living today. I hope that my story will reach a larger audience and probably inspire some people to become organ donors. There are many patients in the hospital that really need this, and I already got mine, but some people still need theirs. Thanks for watching this recipe. I have a few tips for you. Tip number 1, you can make this recipe entirely vegetarian. Substitute out the chicken for mushroom or even tofu. Tip number 2, if you don't have any chow mein noodles on hand, you can substitute out for spaghetti noodles, fettuccine noodles. If you want to add some extra nutrition, you can totally use buckwheat noodles. Tip number 3, feel free to include any other vegetables. Some include cauliflower, broccoli, or snow peas. Even though it was heart healthy, I still managed to make it delicious, which is awesome, and I hope other people can use that recipe too. Final step, you want to add back the chicken, toss it in with all the stuff, and then just plate it. It's such an easy weeknight dinner. Use it for your family, use it for your friends, and it's so healthy for you to eat. I can't wait for you guys to try it. I love these colors. They all look so beautiful. It smells great. I love it. I love how it turned out and all the flavors, they blend together. Thanks for watching. If you want to become an organ donor, please visit donatelife.net.